no family. I chose him over my whole family.
All right. Well,
so can I go? I'd rather go to jail with him.
That's not how that works.
Amen.
September 26th, 2025. Orlando International Airport. Officers responded to a battery complaint involving a couple just removed from a flight. An airport witness saw Thomas grab Michelle by the throat and force her against the wall. Officers separated them immediately.
My bad. We're going to the hotel. We're going to La Quinta Inn. You can check my thing, and that's it. All right?
I got you.
Thank you.
Here we see.
Thank you, dog.
Hold on. We're not going nowhere yet.
Thomas.
Put everything down.
You're
Relax.
brown skin. Don't play.
Sir, she's good.
Really? I think I'll determine that.
I'm up there with my hands up at my waist.
Why don't you take your stuff and step inside for me? Take your stuff and step inside. Just have a seat right there for me, please. That's fine. Just have a seat right there for me. Nope. Down there. Nope. Down there. Down there.
I'm gonna sit.
Sit down right there.
Uber's coming.
I don't care. You can order another one.
Yes, sir.
Sit down on your butt.
Yes, sir. I'm alive.
That's all you got to do.
I don't want to buy one. I just don't want him to be loudmouth.
I don't care. That's his problem.
I'm his wife. I gotta get.
Okay, that's fine. But not while we're doing our job.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You're not going to be yelling. And
I'm grateful for what you do.
I understand that, but you're not acting like it.
No.
Right?
Thank you for what you do. I'm grateful.
Have a seat. What did you see when you got here?
They were just talking when I came in. They were about 3 or 4 feet apart. It was a little bit heated, not nothing too crazy. As soon as I started talking to him, I could tell. I could detect the odor.
They're probably intoxicated a little.
Yeah, he's intoxicated. Her, I couldn't tell, but I immediately just separated them.
I got you.
But I was flagged down for this.
The movie should be here any minute, and we'll leave. That's it.
You can cancel it.
Huh?
You can cancel it and order another one. Right now, we're doing our job.
All right, no problem.
Sound good?
Sound good. I'm a veteran, by the way, man. Thank you for you.
Thank you for your service.
No, thank you for yours. Thank you for yours, man.
So she witnessed female subject take something green from him, throw it on the ground. At that time, he grabbed her by the throat, pushed up against the wall.
Where against the wall?
Right there.
Right here.
That wall.
The tile wall?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So she threw the green thing out of his hand. That's why he grabbed her like this and let her go, and then he picked it up.
He grabbed her by the throat and like forcibly pushed her back?
Yeah. Not that hard.
Like here, or did she, like,
No.
the chest?
No, here.
Around her neck?
Not that hard, but
Not that hard.
her with the hand, like this.
But strong enough to push her over against the wall.
Yeah.
Did it look like, and she wasn't going against the wall like on her own. It looked like
She was like this.
I understand, but you could see like her feet backpedaling.
Oh, yeah,
Like you could see it was he pushing it. Okay.
Backwards.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thomas,
Yes, sir.
what happened?
What do you mean what happened?
Why are we here right now?
I have no idea.
You have no idea.
Me and her, we got take off the plane.
Okay.
Because we had a little argument upstairs.
Okay.
We drank a little bit.
Okay.
Right now, we're leaving to get our Uber to go to a hotel. They said, come back tomorrow and get your luggage, and that's it.
Okay.
That's it.
Nothing happened.
No. We trying to leave, bro. Ask her. Ask her.
One step at a time.
Yeah, I know.
Anything happen in between?
I know, but we just trying to leave, bro.
What you're trying to do, well, I understand what you're trying to do, right? I still have a job to do.
Yeah, I know.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Why am I having a witness tell me that there was a physical fight between you guys?
It wasn't. I promise you, there wasn't even. There wasn't. I grabbed her bags, and that's about it, bro. That's as deep as it comes.
Thomas,
Yes, sir.
I see your hands from me.
Yeah. They're good.
What's up with your pinky? What happened to your pinky there?
Where? Oh, I broke my shit in the military.
That right there?
Oh, that I broke in storage.
Storage what?
Yeah, I have that at Orlando Health has proof of this. Storage unit. I'm But I'll tell you that now. Looking for past. Yes,
Oh,
sir.
did you ask her?
I did not ask her anything about.
Oh, Michelle. Okay.
Yes,
Hey.
sir.
Hey. Obviously, we're down here for a reason. Okay.
Yeah, because I was being too loud.
Right. What exactly happened?
I was just being loud. I'm being extra, and I can't find my driver's license.
I got you.
So I'm looking for my driver's license. I lost it in the elevator, but I've been trying to find him. So when I finally found him, I was cussing him out like, I can't find you. From upstairs, downstairs, every other floor.
Okay.
3 floors because I couldn't find him.
Right.
So of course it's his fault because I can't find him.
Right. Right.
So but I lost my driver's license.
Okay.
That's why we're here.
Did anything else happen?
Obviously we got kicked off the airplane because we've been drinking.
Okay.
But other than that, no.
Hold on. You're going in handcuffs, Thomas. Lean forward. Lean forward. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. There you go.
I'm going to jail.
Nope. Not yet. You're just going in handcuffs for now. All right. There we go.
I hang up though.
Because you're being detained. Hang tight.
Detained for what though? Because I need his wallet
Michelle.
in order to Uber.
Michelle.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hear me out.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Thomas is in handcuffs right now.
But why?
Okay. I just went to go look at surveillance. Look at that camera. Look at that camera.
I just need his wallet.
Hear me out.
Yes, sir.
What did I see?
I don't even want to know what you saw, but like without him, I have no money to get to a hotel.
We'll figure that all out. But that camera's right there.
That camera, he probably pushed me. Yeah, he probably did.
Okay. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. I just want some honesty here.
But I don't want him to go to jail.
I understand that. I understand that.
And I don't think that he needs to go to jail because I'm just drunk. He's probably trying to contain me because I'm so drunk right now. Like I barely can walk.
Well, pushing and container is two different things.
Yeah, yes.
Right,
Sir.
right. And what did I see?
I don't know what you saw.
Tell me.
You saw him. He pushed me. Yes, he did.
Where did he push you?
Right here.
Right? Against what?
Against the wall.
Okay. So that's simple as that. How long have you guys been dating?
A year?
A year? Okay. Do you guys live together?
We do live, kind of.
Kind of?
In a hotel. Like that's why I need his wallet.
Okay, I got you.
I
I will figure that out.
He's got my ID.
I will figure all that
I
out.
don't even have the Uber app. I can't get anywhere without him.
We can facilitate
I don't
that.
want to go to the safe house.
You're not going to a safe house. You have the option to make that call. Would you like to?
I don't want him in handcuffs.
Hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. Would you like to? Do you need to make a call?
Under Florida Statute Section 741.28, because Thomas and Michelle lived together, this was domestic violence, not ordinary battery. Both denied serious contact. Thomas also disclosed Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome, a memory condition linked to chronic alcohol use. Not a legal defense. The officer reviewed airport surveillance footage independently. What he saw confirmed the witness account. Probable cause was now established. Under Florida Statute Section 741.29, once probable cause exists for domestic violence, the officer shall arrest. No discretion, no exceptions. The arrest was calm and without force. Thomas complied. No resistance, no escalation. Michelle had no money, no family, nowhere to go. Officers explained the process patiently and treated her with dignity throughout.
No, because I don't have nobody to call.
I got you. I understand that.
I don't want him in handcuffs.
Hear me out. Hear me out, Michelle.
Sir.
Ma'am,
See,
Michelle, I need you to understand this.
I don't
That
want
when
him
it comes down
handcuffs.
to domestic violence,
I know.
we have no choice. Our hands are tied. If it was up to me, both of you guys would be
So
walking
then,
separate ways.
can we both go to jail then?
We cannot.
I'd rather both of us go to jail.
No, you don't need that.
I would rather.
What do you need out of his property? You need his wallet? What else?
Well, can I talk to him
No,
for
ma'am.
1 second?
No, ma'am.
Because I don't know what to do. We can't go to New Jersey. All of our property's here. Either he comes out of the cop car, or we might as well just both go to jail with
That's
each
not how
other.
that works.
Because
Okay?
all of our luggage is here, all of our property's here, all of our belongings. all of my books, my journals. I'm talking about everything's here for
I
24
got you.
hours.
I got you.
It's already done.
You are more
flew
than
to
welcome to
Jersey.
stay here at the airport and wait for
No,
your flight.
because I can't. I have no family. I chose him over my whole family.
All right, all right. Well,
So can I go? I'd rather go to jail with him.
that's not how that works.
And,
You know
can
that.
I say goodbye to him, please?
I'll think
Will
about
you
it.
let me?
I'll think
Will
about
you
it.
please let me say goodbye to him? Because I didn't put him in jail. I don't want him to go to
I
jail.
understand that. The state put him in jail.
I don't want him to go
I understand
there.
that. I understand that. Do me a favor, just hang out right here. I'm gonna get you some paperwork, right? You'll have your phone call, all that
Because
stuff.
he's in sit
What?
another 30 days. That's another 30 days that I
It's
can't
not
be
30
without
days.
him.
It's not 30 days.
How long?
It's not 30 days.
24
So, yeah,
hours?
it's probably gonna be 24 hours.
I
but
bet I'll bail him out, right?
it's up-
Can I bail him out?
That's not how that works. It has to go through the
Okay.
judicial system.
But can
Do me a-
yes, sir.
do-
Yes, sir.
Listen to me.
Yes, sir.
This is how this is going to work.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna get you some paperwork,
Yes,
all right?
sir.
Whatever phone call you make after that, and he
I
makes
don't
it
have
on that,
nowhere to go. I don't have no
you can stay
override.
here, but that's what you're gonna have to figure out, okay? Right now, I suggest that you hang out right here
Okay.
and sober up.
You're the boss. Yes,
Hang
sir.
tight. Thomas,
Yeah. Is my wallet over?
what? Yeah, your wall's over there.
Alright, what am I gonna charge me?
I went down to go check the surveillance. What did I see?
I don't know.
Nothing happened.
I don't remember. I
That's
don't know.
not what she says either.
I have Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. I have no idea.
Oh, what?
Wernicke-Korsakoff. I have wet brain. So I don't know.
Okay, cool. Right now, you're being charged with battery domestic violence.
That's horrible.
Ready?
Is my
One,
ID?
two, three,
hold
up
on.
to an
Is
eight.
my ID over there?
Alright.
Is my ID and
So she needs some stuff, right?
Yeah, but I need my wallet.
I got you, one step at a time. That's not how this goes. Steps. Spread your feet. Spread your feet. So, here's the thing. Is it what in your possession
Nothing.
do you
I
want her
I
to...
take everything.
Okay, cool. So you don't want to leave her
Taking
with
my
any
phone.
money? You don't want...
No, I don't have any money. She's got money. I need my ID so I can find out.
I got you.
About 189.
That's it.
Just make sure that can do me.
Are you clear that here's like 467 you still working on these?
I appreciate you, hey, to you, Fran, to you, just being professional.
I got you.
Can you bring on, make sure all that
I got you.
And my phone too.
If convicted, up to 1 year in jail, a 2-9-week intervention program, loss of firearm rights, and a lifetime record that cannot be sealed or expunged, ever. The lead officer receives an A-, independent corroboration before arrest, calm execution, deduction, incomplete separation during initial questioning. Thomas receives a B, cooperative after arrest but surveillance footage. May support a strangulation charge under Section 784.041, a third-degree felony. Michelle receives a B+. When asked directly, she confirmed the push. That honest answer strengthened the entire case. Lesson 1. In Florida, a victim cannot stop a domestic violence arrest. The law removes that choice the moment probable cause exists. Lesson 2. Public cameras are independent witnesses. Thomas believed his version would be believed. The footage disagreed. Lesson 3. One domestic battery plea in Florida means a permanent record, no expungement, no sealing. One night, one push, a record for life. Share your thoughts in the comments below.